How to add subtitles to a YouTube video. This tutorial shows you how to add captions to your uploaded videos through YouTube Studio on your Android device. First, open your browser on your Android device. This can be Chrome or Samsung Internet. After that, go to studio.youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. From there, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu and tap on Videos. At this point, find the video you want to add subtitles to and tap on the pencil or edit icon next to it. In the next step, you'll be taken to the video details page. Scroll down and tap on Subtitles to open the subtitle section. Following this, tap on Add a language and select the language you want the subtitles to be in. Once done, tap on Add under the Subtitles column to open the subtitle editor. From here, you'll have three options: upload a file, auto sync, or type manually. At this stage, if you want the quickest option, tap on auto sync and paste in your script or transcript, and YouTube will automatically sync the text to the audio in your video. After this, if you prefer to type them in manually, select Type Manually and add each subtitle line by line along with the timestamps. Once completed, tap on Publish to save and apply your subtitles to the video. Finally, go to your video and turn on captions to confirm that the subtitles are showing up correctly. And that's it. If this YouTube guide helped you add subtitles to your video, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.